fisherman, nurse. Raped and murdered on subway platform in Heights. Rose Davis is a waitress, counting her tips after closing up a diner on Hoyt Street. Maya Petroville was a teacher working late grade papers in Coney Island.
Jeffrey, attaching!
Your attacks were the subway station art gallery, public places just like mine and your victims were raped and choked, but not murdered. Rape is escalate to homicide. Why would a killer suddenly lose his taste for blood? I don't know. Yeah. Can you tie any of your victims to my birth? Me, I was in Brooklyn right before she was raped. Yeah, I told her. Kara Boston never left Manhattan the day of her attack. Let me work the case with you until we find the link between our victims. I'm a bet. Make a mistake. You're not going to go far and blue if you go around dumping bodies under the car. I should take career advice from you. What's that supposed to mean? I did my homework before I showed up. I stayed with Nancy, get gold stars, and Craig into class. Where's all these you? I'd like to answer that question outside. I'm sure you would, Frank. You don't like it. You know there's a connection between those bodies. We don't find the link in 48 hours. You solve your case in about 5 months. Done. Try to keep up. Recognize her? No. Fine. She was attacked by the same guy who was... You ready to go?
He's not yet, Dad. He's a police officer.
But you want to go upstairs and finish packing? We need her here until we finish our investigation. Our numbers in it. Calls, you have some. Not helping by yanking her out of the country. It's all over this case.
You can't prove her name.
Everyone knows she works in that gallery. You will call me daughter. I think she's connected to some of my cases in Brooklyn. Bastard is raped other women. An Asian American college student was attacked a couple of days ago. Asian American? Started with Oliver McSunkos. Who's that? Kara's ex-fiancé.
Jeffrey, you're missing it.
Jerk has a thing for you, Oliver McSunkos? Who wants to know? Southeast Asian Sex Tourism Board. Congratulations. You won a free cruise to Thailand. Am I getting punked? Did Andy ever put you up to this? I'm not Andy. That's not Andy. You're about to be hating life. What the hell? You're getting massages with a happy ending? We hear you like Mason and underage. You meet a girl. You ask for a birth certificate? Or you laugh? People watching the Nick Suits. You know her? Never seen her before in my life. Now, if you'll excuse me, I gotta go handle more money in 10 minutes than you'll see in a lifetime.